Fáilte welcome back agus fáilte go dtí an fhí seo. Sa bhí seo, in this video, we're going to look at how to say throw, catch, and kick the ball off Gaeilge. A very handy one for playing ball with the kids this summer. After this, first of all, don't forget that you can get some really amazing freebies for the kids to enjoy Irish this summer. There's an alphabet book that you can download right now, down in the description. This goes through lots of common words in the Irish language, but in a really fun, engaging, and interactive way. And also, every single week, if you are subscribed to our newsletter, you will get this free workbook for the kids. It's always a different theme, so make sure you're subscribed so you never miss those. Acharailin, on we go. So throw the ball in Irish is ca on Lee Roads. Ca on Lee Roads. Now, it's worth mentioning this pronunciation disclaimer here, and it's down below the video, that there are 3 dialects of the Irish language. Words and phrases are pronounced different across the dialects. So what we offer here is a general standard pronunciation guide. However, you can type this whole phrase into aber.ie and you'll be able to hear it pronounced in each of the different dialects. So throw the ball, Arish, is ca on Lee Roads. Ca on Lee Roads, throw the ball. Catch the ball is bear air on Lee Roads. Bear air on Lee Roads. Bear on Lee Roads, catch the ball. And kick the ball is kickall on Lee Roads. Yes, that's right. The verb kick is a verb in Irish. Kickall on Lee Roads is kick the ball. Kickall, a nice easy one to remember. So hopefully you can use one of those when you're playing games and sports with the kids this summer. And don't forget to get your free workbooks for the kids because the kids really enjoy them. I get lots of great feedback from the mammies on these ones. Agus gur míle maith, thank you so much. Feic mé scéad ceann eile thu. I'll see you in the next one. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.